This quarter, Team Earth strolled to success all in the name of saving trees. Team Earth competed in a 21-kilometre half marathon across London, achieving a respectable time of 4 hours and 24 minutes. That's equal to 27,000 steps, which is also equal to the amount of trees that are chopped down every day for paper production. Team Earth managed to raise an amazing £500 for Worldland Trust Plant a Tree initiative. That's equal to 100 new trees that will be planted in the rainforest.
This quarter, Team Ocean have been continuing to work with WDC, who fight for survival of whales and dolphins against practices that may harm them. Rainbow, which is the dolphin that we adopted last year, had a baby this quarter, so it just made a lot of sense for us to create a baby bundle containing a variety of our baby products. The bundle is currently available on our website, and we donate a part of every single sale we make directly to WDC to support their conservational work even more. As things have opened up in the UK again, Team Ocean are really excited to get outside, do some beach cleans and other exciting activities.
In this quarter, Team People have been really busy with our school competition, where we challenged schools around the country to design the best toilet in the world. This competition was designed to improve the awareness of our charity partner, toilet training. Through the activity, the classes who interned learned the importance of providing sanitary toilet facilities in the countries that need them the most. We're delighted to announce the winner is Wayfield Primary School with their incredible techno toilet. Wayfield Primary School will be taken on a trip to a local natural reserve as their prize. Team People have also completed an office clean of the Cheeky Panda HQ, where we donated any excess stock and samples to the local food bank.